Several other roads in the corporate area are set for repairs. The promise was given by Works Minister Robert Morgan. He pointed to the recent repairs of key roads in Kingston as proof of the government's ongoing response to the cries of motorists. Details in this report.
I will not come here this evening and tell you that the roads in Jamaica are perfect. I too drop in the potholes.
That was Works Minister Robert Morgan on his personal experience with the bad roads in Jamaica. But with the heavy rainfall easing in most parts of Jamaica, several state initiatives including Spark and other patching works are now ongoing to fix the roads, including some of the busiest thoroughfares in the corporate area.
Which is why every year we continue as a government to increase the investment in our road infrastructure. Which is why when you drive on the boulevard right now, you don't see any pothole because this government has done work to fix the potholes on the boulevard.
Multiple other roads, including in parts of St. Andrew Northwestern, have also been promised attention. These roads, the Works Minister says, are not necessarily the responsibility of central government.
I don't responsible for Parish Council Road, but I cannot sit and watch the people of Northwest St. Andrew suffer because the leadership of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation don't care about them. So I'm going to work with my Minister of Local Government and my cabinet colleague. And I'm going to show them that central government care about local government. Central government care for the people of Northwest St. Andrew.
The focus on roads reasons is just part of the government's wider plan to improve aging or deteriorating infrastructure across parts of Jamaica.
Desmond, the reason why there is so much traffic on the boulevard is when the PNP build the boulevard, them never fix the bridge. We are going to finally fix the bridge. Remember when they built the boulevard, they laid a pipe and never connect the pipe. We are going to connect the pipe. So that when you reach 6 Mile, it does not take you an hour from 6 Mile to reach Dunrobin, and you can go straight through to Barbican, straight through to the airport.
The Works Minister was speaking at a JLP Area 1 meeting in St. Andrew on Thursday evening.